Hi gang, thanks for being here. I wanted to do a quick video today to show you the new scented polishes from Madame Glam. Scented polishes, I know, sounds bananas, is bananas, but also super cool. This is spiced cinnamon, and as we don't have smell-o-vision, I'm going to tell you that it smells like spiced cinnamon. And sweet chamomile. This smells really nice, this one. I like this one. The colour's amazing as well. And then we have Rosemary Embrace, which smells really like rosemary. Personally, not a fan of the smell of rosemary, but the colour makes up for it because I love a nice grey. And then Eucalyptus Breeze, this one's lovely. It smells really sort of minty, fresh, and like pine, like a pine forest, maybe. So I'm just going to do a quick swatching of them, and then I'll show you the advent calendar as well, because that's available now. So you can get money off this scented collection using the link in the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. Did I say 30% off? 30% off. The advent calendar is already discounted, so I don't think the code works on that. Oh, how nice is this colour? This colour's lovely. Nice for sort of this season. They're quite, I want to say Thanksgiving-y colours. We don't have Thanksgiving over here, but I feel like they kind of are those kind of colours based on things I've just seen in, you know, films and things. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I think they are. They're good. They're seasonally appropriate colours. There we go. And that orange as well would be great for Halloween and for summer. It's kind of, it can do everything. That orangey one, that sweet chamomile. I think it'll be really nice for summer sunsets as well. I'm having a bit of a, I'm going through something at the moment. Well, I'm going through a really, really, really bad anxiety patch. Situations and whatever have made it worse. So that's why this is a short video just of swatching. Although we are getting to see proper swatching, which I like 2 coats of proper swatching. They're so opaque, they look the same after the first coat. But this is them all together. Oh, they're lovely. That one on the cinnamon one, love it. But yeah, that's why this is a short video, because I'm not in a good place right now, but I'm trying my best. Oh, these 2 as well, which they sent me to do as part of a breast cancer awareness thing, but they didn't arrive till after the breast cancer awareness month, so I want to show you them. Perfect Pink and Naughty Me, I think. These are gorgeous. The sparkly one, you'll see I do a little close-up of it. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, sorry, I know I mentioned my anxiety in the last video, but I'm mentioning it again now just because I didn't think I was going to be able to put a video out for like months, because I've just, the thought of opening my mouth to make noises come out of it has just been terrifying. But I thought I'd give it a go, and I'm sure once I see pretty nail stuff, I'll perk up to get the video done. And then I just get nervous giggles anyway when doing voiceovers, so maybe I should do videos, because it gives me the giggles. This is Naughty Me, that's what it's called, and it is amazing. Can we just look at it? Look at, and close up. Oh, I think that's from a collection of a whole bunch of colours like that, and I think I've got a few of them. Oh, this is the flash on. It's so nice. It's subtle until you put the flash on it and you're like, whoa, look at the sparkle. So that's those 2 that I just wanted to show you, because I hadn't shown you yet. I hadn't even swatched them yet. And this is the advent calendar. This box is so good. Look at the box. If I was a box, If I was a box, if my soul was a box, I think it would look exactly like this. Moons, stars, constellations, cosmic shiz all over the place. It's got stuff written on the back. And then it has a little magnetic openy bit. This box is a keeper. This is a store stuff in it after Advent because it's stunning. And then we've got 25 little or smaller boxes, some of them are huge, in there with something to open every day of Advent. Oh, then I play the game to see if I can point them all out. Let me tell you about what's in. I won't tell you exactly what's in it, but I'll give you an idea. So I'm looking on the website. What does it say? We have 9 mini new soak off gels, so colours that don't exist yet, or don't exist. They do in the Advent calendar. And then 8 regular size gel products, 2 new products that you've never seen on their website, and 5 must-have nail accessories. And on the 25th day, it's good. It's good. You'll love it. It's unexpected. I was surprised. I have opened and looked at all of them because I have started filming with them. But I'm going to do it a bit differently this year. I'm going to do like, you know, maybe a week at a time, like a compilation video every week with a week's worth of stuff, I think, just for my sanity's sake. So that is the Advent calendar. Follow the link in the description to go and get yours, and your smelly jelly, the smelly gels, and they're nice, cozy colours. Let me know in the comments if you get this Advent calendar, and if you do you open it all at once or do you do it day by day? Mine was opened in full before the postwoman left the driveway. Thanks for joining me for this quick swatching video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.